She eat a lot. Big mouth Bella. Teamwork kami dito guys. Siya naghugas ng pinggan. Ako nagluluto ng makain namin. Baby is sleep this time guys. So after I cook, then we eat. After we eat, we make a content. He's saying that he will join my vlog now. Even just a short time. So he will teach me Swahili and I will teach him Tagalog. That is our content later. Hey guys, I'm with my husband and my baby Bella. Katugo na. Hi. Okay.
Katugon man.
Sleepy. She's sleepy. The mic. Say hi. Hi. Okay, now I'm with my husband. So what will we do now?
You greet people.
You greet them.
Hi.
Don't say hi. Just say hi,
Hi.
guys.
Hi.
You should be like lively.
Yeah.
Lively.
Yes, they have understood. Hi.
Yeah, okay. So what's next? What's next? Speak.
You teach me.
Okay.
Hey, hey. Come.
Now guys, I will teach the dada. How can I give milk? Postpone. No, this one want to sleep now. Wait. Okay. Hi guys. So welcome back. Welcome back. What will we do now? Ah,
You started.
I think you introduce yourself to them.
You introduce me. What is this you are doing?
Okay, guys, I'm with my husband. My husband name is your name.
Mention me.
Don't be like.
Mention the name. Yes. You see? You don't know it.
You are too much.
Do you know it?
You mention your name again. Let's cut it. Name I'm Bernard. Yeah, just like that. And I'm your beautiful wife. Yeah, and we are okay here. We have daughter named Bella.
Yeah.
Do like just like that. Okay, again. Hi guys, I'm with my husband and he will introduce himself. Okay, start that.
Oh, my name.
Yeah, your name.
Bernard.
Bernard.
Yes.
Your name is Bernard.
Yes.
Okay, so what? Okay, for today's vlog, I will teach him.
What is this you're doing? This is what?
Okay.
What is this you're doing?
Vlogging.
Vlogging.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I will teach you what?
So you want to introduce me to this?
Yeah.
Continue.
Okay. So I will teach him some Tagalog.
Okay.
I will teach you what?
Hello.
Tagalog. Look at the camera. Aya! Bella is eating. Ay, Bella is disturbing us, guys. I give you this one.
Wash the mouth as you're drinking.
It's not. Let me put this oil to my legs. She eat everything. Okay na. Let's go na. Let's go na. I teach him some Tagalog, guys. So first, let's say, what do you want to learn? Tagalog. Some Tagalog. I will translate it.
You know it, so you should tell me what to learn.
Okay.
Yes.
Now I will say, ano
Okay,
ba?
like when you want to greet.
Great.
Greetings.
Okay,
Uh-huh.
say, how are you?
How are you?
Okay, you say, kumusta?
Kumusta?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
And the response of that is, I'm fine, ayos lang, or okay lang.
Okay. Oklan.
Okay lang.
Okay.
Yeah,
Kumusta?
yeah, okay lang.
Oklan.
Yeah,
Good.
good. And
Uh-huh.
welcome. Welcome, we say, mabuhay.
Mabuhay.
Or we say,
Okay.
karibu, karibu.
Mabuhay.
Yeah, mabuhay.
Okay. Okay.
You say, I should have a script
In your
that I
language,
don't remember.
you
Okay,
trust the
we
language.
say,
You need a book.
okay. Eh, the plates, the plates, you want plates is pinggan. Plates, pinggan, pinggan. Bila is disturbing us, guys. You want, come here, come here, come here. What can I do with this? Guys, to make market. Kaya wala na may food. Yeah, no, just here. Just here. Want to buy some tomatoes. Ingon ani ang market pag udto og buntag, guys. Wala kay nag-display kay hapon pa man sila mang display dire. Ningita ko gulay. Kina, kina, kina. Hu, hu. Bella. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, Pinay in Kenya, Africa. So this is I'm with my husband for today's vlog. For this vlog, we maybe they will hear me. For today's vlog, guys, I will teach him Tagalog and he will teach me Swahili. First word, say maganda.
Maganda.
Maganda means
Mm.
beautiful. Wah! Kasi, kasi maganda.
Huh. Beautiful.
Yeah, like me.
Okay. So you're Maganda.
Yes, of course.
Maganda.
So now, next,
Wait,
maganda in
wait, wait.
Swahili.
Maganda in Swahili means the the outer cover of like banana, the peels. You know the peels, like when you when you peel potatoes or you peel the
Oh,
banana.
that is maganda.
Yeah, the cover.
Oh,
There
the pulp.
is called
Maganda here
Maganda.
in Swahili.
Yes, Maganda.
Oh, that's
So
why I saw
the,
maganda supermarket there.
maybe it's a name of a person,
Oh,
but in Swahili it means the peels, the cover of something, like
okay.
probably food. Mm. And also there is ganda.
Okay,
Maganda.
let's
Ganda.
second the Tagalog now.
Yes, Maganda.
Okay. So,
So
no. What is maganda in Swahili? I mean beautiful.
beautiful in Swahili.
Mm. You, you don't know?
Pendeza.
Pendeza.
Mm.
Are you sure? Not sure, guys. Pendeza.
Pendeza. Yes.
All right.
Mm.
Okay. So next, tinapay.
Tinapay.
Means bread.
Bread.
Yeah. Bread here.
Mkate.
Oh, that is kiswi, kiswa, ano, that is kisi. Kisi. Muguti.
Mkate.
Mugate.
Mkate.
Mugate. That is Swahili.
Swahili.
Oh, mugate.
Mukate.
Mugate.
Yes, yes.
Mugate.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, mugate. That is always Papa saying, mugate. So, third, what else?
Mbaka.
Baka.
Eh?
Baka.
Baka ama mbaka?
Baka.
Mbaka.
Yeah, baka means cow.
Mbaka.
Baka.
It means the name of a person here.
No. Okay. Next is pinggan.
Pinggan.
Yeah, means plates.
Plate.
Yeah,
Pinggan.
yeah. In Swahili, pinggan,
Sahani.
sahani. So, sahani, sahani. Okay. So, your turn now.
You're done.
Yeah.
Okay. Switch off the camera.
No. Not like that. Again, another one. Ano pa ba? Salamin.
Salamin.
Yeah, salamin means mirror.
Mera.
Yeah, mirror. Mirror. Buti.
Puti.
Buti.
Puti.
Means bottle. Ay, you did not teach me Swahili for mirror. Mirror in Swahili.
Kiyo.
Kiyog. 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 You also look into the camera. Kiyog.
Kiyo.
Ay, Bill, I want to get this light of that. That is your phone. Say hello to the what else? Sleeper. No. The say salamat. Salamat.
Salamat.
Salamat
Hey.
means you know it.
No.
Salamat.
Means what?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Salamat. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you ini sa Santi sana.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Santi sana. Welcome, mabuhay. Mabuhay.
Mabuhay.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Mabuhay means welcome. Here is karibu.
Karibu. Yes, yes.
I know guys. So, what else? Konti. Say konti.
Konte.
Konti lang.
Konte lang.
Yeah, means little. Just little.
Means little. Okay.
So, in Swahili,
Kidogo.
kidogo. Kidogo, kidogo.
Little.
Yeah.
Okay.
And baso.
Baso.
Baso means cup.
Baso.
Cup for drinking.
Give me baso.
Huh? Baso.
Baso.
Aya.
In Swahili. Kikombe.
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 Kikombe. Okay.
Baso.
Kombe.
Go and bring him baso.
Say, yeah. Ano pa ba? What else?
We are done.
Pin, not pin.
Swahili. Mwangaza.
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 Yes, yes. Mwanga.
Say ilong.
Ilong.
Means nose. Ilong
Ilong.
means nose.
Nose.
Mata. Mata.
Mata.
Mata means eyes.
Eyes. Mata.
Mata in Swahili.
Majo.
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 Sabon.
Sabun.
Sabon.
What's the meaning?
Soap.
Soap. Yes, also sabun. Sabun.
Here is sabuni.
Mm.
Here sabon. So here guys, the sabon, sabuni.
Sabuni.
Ito talaga si Bilay.
Ay, ay, ay.
Nakalisto ko. Oo, maakyat to. Cameraman. Camera woman. Camera woman. Camera woman. Okay, continue. Suklay.
Soklay.
Yeah, means comb. Uy, means comb. Suklay.
Kichanu.
Huh?
Kichanu.
Ki?
Kichanu.
Kijano. Kijano.
So when is here to destroy? It's broken.
Magandang
Ay,
gabi.
but I think it's enough.
No, I need like 3 minutes. Magandang gabi.
Magandanga. P. What is that?
Magandang gabi, bayan.
Ay,
No, magandang gabi means good evening.
maganda.
Gabi.
Maganda. Maganda. P.
No, magandang
Magandang
gabi.
kapi.
Mm,
Evening.
good evening. Here is. Ay, ano? What is the good evening in Swahili?
So,
Habari si Johnny. Habari. Good evening.
habari ya jioni.
That is good evening, right? Oh, why you laugh me?
Habari ya jioni.
Johnny.
Jioni.
Jioni.
Mm.
Habari jioni.
Yeah.
Say,
An
mo ako.
mo ako.
Again, halikan.
Alkan mo ako.
Means you kiss me.
Haya.
Kiss me, oh.
Hay.
In Swahili?
Puso.
Okay. Come here. Say hi, guys. Say hi, guys. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Come here. Say hi, guys. See, she knows. Okay. Now you say, mahal kita.
I know it.
What is it? What is it? You know it.
I
What
know
is it in English?
No need to repeat because I know it.
Do you want to know what is it?
Okay. Okay, teach me.
Mahal kita. In English.
Let me Google.
Google. In Swahili. What is it in Swahili, darling?
What is it in English?
I love you. I love you in English. In Swahili ba?
Swahili. I love you.
In Swahili. You don't know?
Unapendwa.
No. Nakupenda.
Hey, so you know, you asking.
Nakupenda too. My bro. Concentrate here, viewers. They will see that you are not cooperating. Okay, tell to them that you are joining now my vlog.
But I'm already there.
Gataan eh. Greet the viewers, darling. See, greet them.
Hi.
Just only hi. You're like a dead. Okay.
Hi.
You just greet evenly.
Even who?
The viewers.
Hi.
So, what's your name? What's your name?
My name is known.
So that we will know your name. You introduce yourself to them, just a short.
Bernard.
Tell them. Tell them.
It's enough.
It's enough na.
Enough.
So what
What
will we
else?
do now?
What else? We're done teaching.
You're done teaching.
And then,
You
yeah.
did not teach me.
Maybe tomorrow.
Tomorrow again. It's already 10:25 p.m. na here, guys.
So we off now.
End of the lesson.
End of the lesson. Very serious. My husband is very serious. Very serious, by the way.
Yes.
He say that you are nonchalant.
It's a time now for tea.
You know nonchalant.
After lesson is break. Tea time now. Bring tea.
Bring tea. No tea. You know the meaning of nonchalant. You don't know it.
Don't know.
Someone commenting there, you are nonchalant.
What is that?
It's like you don't feel it. Or it's like you did not feel in it. Ah,
Don't feel.
no, let me search nonchalant.
It's your
I want
language.
to search it.
That's your language. You don't know how to explain
No,
it.
that is English.
Oh.
Nonchalant is English word. Nonchalant. Feeling or appearing casualty, calm and relaxed, not displaying anxiety, interest. Not displaying interest.
But what you wanted, I've explained. So you want me to jump up and down like madman? Wait. Have we achieved what we wanted? Oh, answer. Yes or yes or no?
You see, jump and up
Okay.
and down.
So you bring this word so that I start jumping up and down like a madman. Is it? We are done.
That's what they say. Before this video end, guys, I want you to challenge my husband to kiss me here. Kiss me now. No, it's your part now. Come here, come here. Say hi, guys. Say hi, guys. It's your turn now. Say hi. Say hi. Hi, hi, guys. Don't eat, say hi. Hi, guys. Hi, guys.
Ayun guys, I'm so sorry na mahina pala yung boses kasi yung ginagamit namin na mic ay yung akin. Tapos yung binigay ni ate, nalubat kasi kaya thank you for watching and listening guys. This is our first trial. So maybe you will give us another idea guys. Maybe next time we have like this with my husband when he has a free time. But this is evening, only evening free time. Thank you, bye.